time's running out. Yeah, I gotta put you on the clock.
Hello everyone. Today we will be making the denim Prada bralette. The first thing you will need is oversized jeans and a bralette and some scissors. We're going to measure around the bralette to get the perfect size for our new bralette. And I put it right there on the sides of the pants because in the image that I showed in the beginning, it has a slit down the middle of the boob area. So you're going to take a magic marker or chalk or crayon, color pencil, whatever you have, ink pen, and just trace around that and make sure you have enough room to fold down and make it look more professional. So then we're going to just cut that out. Now we have our two pieces. The next thing we're going to do is fold the sides down and pin them so that we can sew around to make it look more neat and professional as well. Next, we're going to take the waist part of our pants, and we got these pants for Goodwill in an extra large, and we just cut around the top of the pant and try to make it as neat as possible because you want it to look like it's a real garment that you bought out of a store and not a craft project. So I just cut around the entire top of the pants. After I did that, I took and I measured it with the bralette to make sure that it fit me around my waist. Well, not waist, boob area. After that, I sewed it together after I measured. And then you can see I made sure that the end part fit. So this will be in the back of it. Cute. Then you want to take the boob parts and attach it to the waist bra part. Next, you want to take the side of the pants and cut it all the way down. These are making your straps, as you can see here. Now you want to take and make two straps because you need two. And there's our two straps. Next, we are going to take and start attaching these. This is the back, so you would attach there. And then the front you see is attached. And then we're going to take and sew all the way down to connect the boobs to the other part of it. And just sew it all the way down. Like so. I tried to show you guys, but I couldn't record and hold the other piece. And now we have it here. Beautifully made, if I do say so myself. Very neat and cute. This is the finished product.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit so.
Oh my God! Do you wonder why people don't want to be around?